Tired of traditional banking systems and their endless fees? Ready to embrace a more private and secure way to manage your finances? Then you've likely heard of Beam, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. But how exactly do you get funds into your Beam wallet? That's what we're diving into today. Beam is a unique cryptocurrency that prioritizes user privacy. It utilizes Mimblewimble, a cutting-edge technology that obscures transaction details, making it incredibly difficult to track your spending habits. This enhanced privacy comes with a slight learning curve when it comes to funding your wallet. But fear not, we'll guide you through the process step by step. There are a few primary ways to load your Beam wallet. Exchange platforms. Many cryptocurrency exchanges now support Beam. You can typically purchase Beam directly using fiat currency, like USD or Euro, or by trading other cryptocurrencies for Beam within the exchange. Peer-to-peer, P2P, trading. This involves finding another Beam user willing to sell you Beam directly. Platforms like HODL facilitate these transactions, allowing you to trade securely with other users. Atomic swaps. This advanced method allows you to swap other cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin or Litecoin, for Beam directly within your wallet. This is often the most private option as it doesn't involve third-party exchanges. Let's focus on purchasing Beam through an exchange. Choose an exchange. Select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports Beam trading. Some popular options include. List a few exchanges here. Be sure to research and choose exchanges that align with your needs and risk tolerance. Create an account, register and verify your identity with the chosen exchange following their KYC, Know Your Customer, procedures. Deposit funds. Fund your exchange account with fiat currency through bank transfers, credit/debit cards, or other available methods. Purchase Beam. Once your funds are available, navigate to the trading interface, locate the Beam trading pair, e.g., Beam/USD, and place a market order to buy Beam. Transfer to your Beam wallet. After your purchase is complete, withdraw the purchased Beam from the exchange and send it to your Beam wallet address. Important considerations. Security. Always prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your exchange account and use a strong, unique password for your Beam wallet. Fees. Be aware of potential fees associated with each step of the process, including exchange trading fees, withdrawal fees, and network transaction fees. Privacy. While exchanges offer convenience, they might compromise some privacy. Consider using a VPN when accessing the exchange and be mindful of the exchange's privacy policies. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, always research thoroughly and proceed with caution when dealing with cryptocurrencies.